Hi guys, I'm Luciana Virgilio, and today I'm going to show you how to do a delicious mashed potato. Trust me, this is the mashed potato everybody will love because it will have several ingredients, and I'll share all the tips with you, okay? First of all, let's go to the ingredients. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter, half a tablespoon of salt, and I mix it with a little bit of pepper. It depends on your taste. Half a cup of heavy whipped cream, half a cup of milk, and 1 egg. And also, these ingredients are gonna be good for about 6 or 7 potatoes. So let's put some of the salt, like half of the salt, on a boiling water. And you're gonna throw all the potatoes in there. Now the potatoes are in the pot. I put the heat in high, and now we're gonna leave them for about 15 minutes, and then if you want to stir them, you can. When they're ready, you're gonna pinch them with a fork to make sure if they're ready or not, and then it's gonna be ready to drain, okay? So let's wait about 15 minutes. We'll come back. Welcome back, guys, and now I'm gonna show you the potatoes are done, and we have to add all the ingredients. It's gonna be yummy, delicious. So let's start. We're gonna add the 2 tablespoons of butter, and let's add all the ingredients that I gave you previously. The heavy whipped cream, the egg, and the milk, all together. And all you have to do is, I got a electric mixer because I'm lazy like that. So you can do it manually or you can do it with a mixer. Trust me, if you do it like this, it will simplify your life so much that you will never want to do it by hand. But it's up to you. You can do it however you want. So it's already done. Ta-da! So let's try this together and see how it goes. See how it tastes. You're gonna love it. This is good, delicious, yummy. What else can I say? If you like my video, subscribe to my channel at lucianavirgilio.com and give me a thumbs up. Bye. Thank you.